Well, my name is Chef Peter Mukusyo. I am the group chef of Porini Camps. I have been working with the Porini Camps for the last 8 years. And today I would like to prepare for our guests puree of pumpkin and ginger soup. And I have my ingredients with me. So I have the pumpkin with me. I have ground ginger. I have grated ginger, crushed peppercorns. I have my chopped onion, unsalted butter, garlic, minced garlic, double cream, and salt. And now, here is how we go about it. I use the butter. Use the butter here. We melt it. I put my jiko on. I put my butter inside. I let it melt. I let it melt gently. After it has melted, I add my onion, chopped onion. Chopped onion. Chopped onion. I cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until it is translucent. We let it cook there for 3 to 5 minutes. You keep stirring a bit to make it cook evenly. After my 3 minutes, I add garlic. I cook further for 2 more minutes. Then I add my ground ginger and grated ginger as well, so that they can cook to extract their flavors. The aroma comes out so nicely. You can smell the aroma of the ingredients. Then now, since they are done, I add my pumpkin, diced pumpkin. Then I sweat it for about 2 minutes and see to it all the liquid. The water I had used to clean them, it dries up. And now I add my vegetable stock. That's my vegetable stock. Then I bring it to boil. So it cooks under low heat, and then it simmers for around 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, it will be ready. I see our soup is cooked. The pumpkins are cooked. They are very tender. Now they are ready. It's ready now to blend. So now we keep it aside. You might be using that blender, the jar blender at home. You need to let it cool for some time so that you don't destroy your blender. Otherwise, when you blend it, when it's too hot, the blender tends to burn the rubber and your blender will start leaking. But for my case, because I'm using stick blender, I can just blend straight away. So here we blend our soup. And now my soup is done. I have now blended the soup, it's ready. So now I reboil it and correct the seasoning. Return to the heat again, put fire on to reboil it. A little bit of crushed peppercorns, just to taste. Just enough salt to taste. And you mix together. I test whether my soup is ready. Test it. It's ready. Tasty, delicious. And now my soup is ready to serve. Not too thick, neither too thin. It's just moderate in the middle. Depends on the size of your ladle, soup ladle. If it's small, you can do 2. If it's big, you can do 1, or just the amount you want. There's my soup. I do finishing with a bit of double cream. And then I serve my soup with bread rolls and butter. It's done. Enjoy. Bon appetit. For more Porini recipes, hit the subscribe button below.